Hi, in this video I will show you how I do my hem stitching. It is very simple. I've woven a bit here and now I will do my hem stitching. And when I started I left over about 4 times the width of my cloth. And something that I also want to advise you is to take a fifth length and cut it off and set it aside, because you will be working through the cloth and you will do this in kind of embroidery. And when you do that often, some yarns will just kind of disintegrate it. You can pull it apart, and when that happens, when you are about here, then you want to finish this last piece. Well, of course it's not an issue if you work with a solid color yarn and you have some balls left and then you cut out some from another ball. But if you're working with a gradient yarn, you probably want to finish the rest of your hem stitching in the same color. So please set that aside so that you have enough. Here I will do my hand stitching. I already pushed down a bit of my header, and well, it's very simple. My yarn goes here, and first of all I decide how many threads I will take for my how many threads of my warp I will take and how deep I will go into the warp. And I decided that I will do 3 threads here, and I will go 2 threads inside of the cloth. So first of all I go here into that, after that first thread, and I will go back to the side and I pull it so it gets close to each other, and then I go back and I go up above the second thread of the weft, and then I pull it through, and then I lay my yarn this way, and then I again take 3 threads here of the warp. I go into the place where I came from here on the bottom side, and I go up again to into the cloth, and again I lay my yarn to the side. I will take 3, I go back to here, and well, this is, and you kind of have to pull it hard so that these 3 threads come close together. I will continue till the end of this side, and then I will show you how I finish. I'm nearly at the end. As you can see, I have 5 threads left over, and what I will do, I will take these 3 together, just like I did with the other ones. And well, of course you have to do some planning in advance, how you distribute the yarns of your warp. But I will now take these last 3, and I will do that first, so just like I did before, and I will go into the weft, 2 picks, and well, now I have only 2 left here, but I will use this yarn for an extra fringe thread here, and that is why it's also important to take enough length when you start, so that you can use it as a fringe. If the color doesn't match with your last threads, well, I will show you. I will first go here, and then sometimes I just do it differently sometimes. You know, you can make some kind of thread here and of a knot here and go here to kind of secure it, and then you can go in it like this. Well, and if you want to finish it and not use it as a fringe, you can just go in here in this bottom row and weave it in a little bit, and then you can pull it through and cut your yarn off. Maybe just first leave a little bit and after washing you cut it off. But now I will use it for my fringe here, and I will just pull it into here. This is yarn with wool in it, so it will be okay when I wash it. So if you feel the need to make an extra knot, you can do it again, and here. So well, I will show you in another video how to do the hem stitching on top of the shawl, and well, then I would like to ask you, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do so. I have videos about crochet and other kinds of weaving and knotting, and so you can watch that too. And then I will see you in the next video.